If you run a cleaning business and struggle with scheduling, time tracking, or team communication, Connecteam might be exactly what you need. It's an all in one employee management app built for deskless teams. Your cleaners can clock in and out from their phones, managers get real time tracking, and you can assign tasks, share checklists, and communicate updates, all in one place. For small teams, there's even a free plan for up to 10 users, and paid plans add automated reminders, recurring schedules, and HR tools. Users say it's super easy to use, especially for staff and on the go. The biggest wins for cleaning businesses are less admin work, better accountability, and smoother operations. So, if you want a simple way to manage your cleaning team without juggling multiple apps, Connect Team is worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.